Hello everyone, it's Lindsay and I am back for another faith planner process video, and I'm going to be working in the third week of February here. Here's a look at last week's. There was not a video. I was not happy with how the spread turned out. I might revisit it and try it again in a future spread, so let me know if you want to see that. But for this week, I'm going to be using some elements from the Maggie Holmes Chasing Dreams collection, and I actually purchased the digital kit from AC Digitals. I'll link that down below as well as over on my blog, and that way I could print everything out in different sizes or multiples. But I think from here on out I will purchase the Maggie Holmes products, like actual products, because her stuff has like gold foiling and glitter and different dimensional elements and things like that. So there's so many elements, I really don't think that I'll need to reprint multiples of things. So I have tons of things that I printed out and cut out from this collection. So I'm going to use up some of those here in my planner. And I'm starting off by covering up the top of the planner page just with some gold sparkle washi tape. And then I brushed the back side where the adhesive was exposed with my EK Success powder tool, and then just repunched those holes, something I've done over and over and over again. I'm kind of running out of creative ideas for my planner process videos, so if you guys have some ideas, or are you okay with just seeing me stick down die cut pieces like this, then I'll continue doing it this way. But I'm really just trying to keep this simple, and I feel like I'm starting to get the pressure to have these elaborate, crazy processes in my planner, and that's not really the intention behind these spreads. So let me know if you're okay with just seeing me, kind of cluster die cuts and things like that. Then I'll continue doing them, but just leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. And so I'm just kind of staging out some of the elements. All of these were printed on 65-pound white cardstock, and then I used my Silhouette Cameo to cut everything out, but you could hand cut these if you wanted to. And I'm just going in and adding some gold accents. You could go in and add gold foiling or gold glitter to your printables if you wanted to. I wanted to keep it kind of fuss-free with this, as I was just doing a lot of layering. I kind of thought about going in and adding some stitched details, running some of these clusters through my sewing machine, but like I said, just trying to keep it really simple, not get too crazy. All in all, this spread probably took less than 20 minutes to put together, and that's kind of where I want to keep it. I do use this to write out my daily scripture writings, and so I don't add too many elements because I want plenty of room to write out those scriptures, and I don't want it to take forever. I'm going to work with this for the week and then probably not going to look back at it again, so it doesn't need to be anything crazy elaborate. My gold washies are from all different companies. I'm not even sure where most of them are from. If I can find some things, I'll link it down below, but kind of the idea is for you guys just to take these and use them as inspiration with products that you already have in your stash. Don't feel like you have to go buy exactly what I'm using. I will say the Maggie Holmes collections, any of them, are just gorgeous and super girly and super fun. So I'll link the physical products down below, as well as over on my blog if you want to check those out. I know scrapbook.com has them, and you can just purchase them, and they're already cut out and already designed, so you don't have to sit there and fussy cut a whole bunch of different things. Even with my Silhouette Cameo, it took me about 3 days total to add cut lines and cut out everything from the Chasing Dreams collection, so that's a little excessive. I think I'll be purchasing physical things from here on out. So I'm just kind of trying to, spread out the colors. It's great using in a collection like this because everything already matches and is cohesive, so it's really easy. I'm going to add a little nest of gold thread up here. I had some bleed through from the back side of the other page, and so I'm just trying to cover up some of that on this side. And I also think I need glitter gold washi on top of every single planner page from here on out. Super fun. As one last finishing touch, I'm just going to add some watercolor splatters. The pink and the green, or the mint, are from the Pastel Dreams Prima watercolor set, and then the black is the watercolor from the Illustrated Faith watercolors. So, and I just have them all in this tin, and I have a video showing how I put that together. I will try to remember to link that down below. And be sure to check on over to my corresponding blog posts. I've been trying really hard to have blog posts go up with every single video so that you have more close-up photos, all the links, all that good stuff all in one place. So definitely check that out. Give this video a thumbs up if it was fun, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.